Appliances break down, home systems fail, which means I show up at everyone's door because I'm inevitable.
Unfortunately, something expensive is about to happen.
Is it the heat, plumbing, electrical, wiring, garage door, oven?
But we already have homeowners insurance.
Home insurance only covers disasters. First American covers your everyday wear and tear, and if they can't repair it, they'll replace it.
So give the people at First American a call.
Unexpected repair bills never drained Sonia's savings. She found a better way to protect her home.
First American has had my back for years. It saved me hundreds. Just one call, and they send a pre-screened, qualified contractor. No chasing quotes.
Don't wait for a budget-busting expense to wipe out your savings. Call right now to secure your peace of mind.
Home breakdowns are inevitable, but the expense, that's optional.
Call now for a free quote that could save you thousands. Get comprehensive protection for about $1 a day. Call 800-379-7143 or visit FAHW.com.